Welcome to another TikTok affiliate marketing case study where I'm going to show you right here how Lexi just made $5,800 with one sale. Okay, this is just one commission on top of all the sales that she's making on a regular basis. And more importantly, how you can do it too and how many other people are doing the same thing with this. Before I do that, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more information about affiliate marketing, about TikTok, making money online in general, and business success. So let me show you how Lexi is able to make this type of commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing. And this is what she's doing. Okay, if you click on the link below, you can see more information about this system. This is my number one recommended way to make money online. It's a 90% done for you online system that makes regular people $1,000, $5,000 plus per day. And once you click on the link below, you can just watch the free video with more information. There's also going to be more information and some training on how to use TikTok to make money with affiliate marketing, but also not just TikTok, but also Instagram and YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and all that. That's what the system is about. So I'm gonna show you how to do this with TikTok, but I highly recommend you to do the same thing. Just create a video on TikTok. I'm gonna show you right now how, and post it on Instagram too, and post it on YouTube Shorts, and also Facebook Reels. That way you have more reach, better chances for success, bigger audience, more chances to be discovered and to make sales, right? That's how we do it here with short form videos that you can find on TikTok. So basically this is what she does. Okay, very simple. She just goes to TikTok and she finds videos that are going viral, that are very popular, about making money online, making money from home. So making money on TikTok, making money online. So you can do this as well, whatever you feel comfortable with. I mean, there's all kinds of videos right here. Let me show you. So let's say make money from home, and you can see here the top videos that are going viral. And what she does and what we do, just check out the most popular videos and the ones that we feel comfortable making, and model after them and make something similar and post them on our own TikTok page, but also Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as well. And we do this consistently. So this is it. You find videos that are going viral. Like, look at this. This one is getting 4.6 million views. See, I don't think she even talks. You don't even need to talk. Here, 550,000 views, 422,000 views. 1.8 million views, and this is just from one keyword alone. You can find endless amounts of videos to model after, and this is what people want. Okay, you don't need to come up with some crazy idea and see if it works, see if it sticks. Just model after successful people, because this is proven to work. Okay, it's 8.6 million views right here, 8.8, 4 million, 8.1 million views. Like, it's crazy. And as you can see, we highly recommend to show your face at least. Okay, if in the beginning you don't feel comfortable talking, at least show your face, point up, like if there's some text there, you add the text rather, and you're good to go. But obviously, if you talk, there's gonna be better chances for you to succeed, to build trust, because you're trying to also build trust and for people to trust you to guide them, right? You're recommending this product, whatever product you like for example, she recommends this same product I'm talking to you about. So people need to trust you, and so if you talk, they're gonna trust you better, right? This makes sense, right? So yeah, you just keep doing this. It's pretty simple. Okay, but you need to be consistent. Just show your face, that's it. Post in the beginning, especially. I know it may be tough for you. Maybe you have other, maybe a full-time job, or maybe you're running another business full-time, whatever. Maybe you starting this part-time for whatever reason, right? But try your best to start with 3 videos a day. That will be kind of ideal. Okay, ideally you want to have, believe it or not, 5 videos a day, even 10 videos a day. Maybe not every single day, but as often as you can. And that's what's gonna give you the best results and just do it consistently. If you don't even talk on the on camera, you can do them really fast. Like within a few minutes, you can have a bunch of videos already pre-made, and you just post them. So this is it. You model after them, and then how do you make money though? Like how is he making this money, Rola? Because right, he made $5,800 commission. So basically, I'm gonna show you an example. All these people are doing the same thing. So let's say this one right here, right? So basically, we have, this is not the same person, okay, that I'm talking about. This is a different one, but she's following a similar concept. You create an introduction on the bio on your profile, like say here 6 figures from home. This is just an example, but you can model after these successful people too. Like you check out different profiles and see what you like and what fits you better. You tweak it and make it your own. But the most important thing is here the call to action. How it started. You can put free video. That's what she does. Yeah, check out the free video to learn more and put the link right there. And that's your affiliate link or your landing page where you pre-sell the business or the service or the product or whatever you're promoting. You put it right here, and when people click on it, that's it. And that's what she's doing and what we do. We put here, and she likes to put the affiliate link. I don't put the affiliate link. I like to put my website first and to preview and to like explain a little bit what is it about. But she's sending traffic directly to the affiliate link, and that's a landing page. And the landing page, they put the information right there, and the audience puts their email address there, and then once they put the information, they see the free video that explains this system, how to make money on TikTok, how to make money on Instagram and all that, and how to make high ticket affiliate commissions with this system. And then the system is going to follow up with them. The system follows up with them on a regular basis, on a daily basis. We don't need to do anything. The system is already set up for us. We don't need to worry about creating emails or setting up emails or nothing like that, or setting up the funnel, nothing. The whole team creates the funnel for us, creates the emails. They set up the email autoresponder for us, but also the system and the team emails them on a daily basis, broadcast emails created by them. We don't have to create any emails. If you want to take the extra mile, you can create your own emails and send them to them, but you don't have to. But this is 90% done for us. This is where you can learn more about this, and you will also learn some tips about how to promote whatever product, whatever service you're promoting right now, or whatever you want to promote. I highly recommend it on the link in the description. Okay, so this is basically it. You see, you have to be consistent, create a lot of content, quality content that is proven to work, and you just check different profiles, different pages, and see what resonates better with you, and you post similar things like this. Look at these people right here. They're not making anything unique. Like, let's see, let me show you this one, okay? Stupidity 1000, she got 3.8 million views, okay? Now, tell me, how many times have you seen this title right here on TikTok? Stupidity, $1,500 per week, right? Probably a million times. Does that stop them from being successful? No, look at this. She's getting 3.8 million views. You will say, oh, but it's saturated, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to copy them. It doesn't work. What do you mean it doesn't work? This girl is copying literally. I've seen a million people doing the same thing. Stupidity, 1,000 per week. And she's getting 3.8 million views. Like, side hustle, make $100 in 15 minutes. 1.8 million views. I've seen this thing like a million times too, but she's getting 1.8 million views. That this proves that you don't have to remember anything. Like, how many videos about 4 high-paying remote jobs, not degree needed, have you seen on TikTok? Maybe 1,000, 2,000. But this girl is getting here 1.4 million views for this video alone, and she's banking. She's getting. Let me see how many followers does she have. She has 16,000 followers, and just by she's not doing anything extraordinary. She's doing what I'm saying. Like, she just finds popular videos and she just recreates them like that, and that's it. That's the name of the game. And that's let me show you another example right here. This guy right here, 1 million views. Super easy side hustle, anybody can do right now. $750 per week, easy side hustle, 1 million views. This guy's doing the exact same thing. You can tell me 118,000 followers just by doing whatever everybody else is doing. So don't tell me that you can be successful like that, because this is proven, right? Like, look at this. So just do that. You just have to be consistent. You can even hire people to create videos for you, honestly, but you have to show your face to get better success, okay? And yeah, just click on the link below. It's gonna show you everything more in detail about how we do it and how you can plug into the system. It's done 90% done for you. You don't have to worry about finding links. You don't have to worry about creating emails, setting up a funnel, and tweaking and testing what works, what doesn't. This already works. Sorry, Dan. They're tweaking consistently all the time to optimize conversions, to optimize sales. There's a whole team also talking to people on the phone and closing sales for you and for us. So there's no reason for you to struggle. Just check out the free video to learn more, because you're gonna be blown away. And before you do that, subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be sharing more information about affiliate marketing, about TikTok, Instagram, social media, and all that, making money online in general. And also like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.